Podu, Vistal Podu. We are back on the southeast coast of India, and it's a nice breezy evening here in Chennai. And the match coming up, as history would say it, two giants of the IPL will go head-to-head. 10 titles between them, and they are in a position where it's a must-win game for both sides as we come up to toss time here at Chepauk. The two captains, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Hardik Pandya, Amit Sharma is the match referee. Ajoy Chaudhary is the toss ref, and he'll hand over the coin to the match ref. And Amit will hand it over to Ruturaj, who will give it a flick.
Heads.
Heads is the call.
We're gonna bat first.
Hardik, you won the toss. What have you decided?
We're gonna bat first.
What do you
Looks
make
like
of
a
this
good
surface?
track. During the World Cup, we played against Zimbabwe as well. It played really well. Just the way we batted last game, thought we should give one more opportunity to the batters to kind of score runs as much as possible.
No rocket science now. You've got to win every game.
Oh yeah, I think for last 8 games it has been that. So now even more. We have to just come out and kind of play our best cricket and see what happens.
So when you're in a position like this, what's the mood like? In the dressing room, in the dugout?
No, it's always, we are professionals. We are supposed to play good cricket. We are supposed to turn up every time. So yeah, the mood has been good. It's been challenging. But we have a lot to play for. As you said, 6 games. We want to fight, make sure that we give the best opportunity ourselves to qualify. And at the same point of time, it's about playing for pride as well. You play the sport to enjoy, you play the sport to win. So yeah, these are all things which we have kind of spoken about and kind of focusing on.
You've lacked consistency this season. If there's one area you want to pick on today, which you want to see a big improvement from your team?
I think just play good cricket overall. You know, those moments where I think we have lost games, not overall, I feel, in about 40 overs, I think we have lost those games in maybe 2-3 overs, which were big moments in the game. We could not get it to our side, and I think that has costed us games. So today, overall, I think if we can play a better game of cricket, overall, everyone can chip in, not drop those half chances, create half chances, score as many runs possible. I think we'll be in a good place.
Now, in a must-win game, what's your combination?
We have one debut. The leggy plays his first game for MI, and we go for the same team. And Krish comes back for Ashwini.
Have a good one, Hardik.
Thank you, sir.
Well, Ruturaj, pretty much similar position as the Mumbai Indians. Would you have batted as well?
Yes, we were looking to bat first, but as I said, the wicket looks really good. You know, a bit on the drier side, but I don't think so. It will change too much throughout the course of the game. So, really happy to bowl first as well.
Now, from the last game, you would look for an improvement. That was a day game. This is a day-night game. Pitch will be different.
Yes, it was a bit difficult. Last game, we were put into a tough situation, but you know, we recovered really well. We got to a competitive score, and I felt even after that we you know, bowled really well in patches, whoever was bowling. So I think you know, a bit tough track to bat on last game, but I think you know, confidence-wise, everyone is really up there.
When you're in a tight corner like this, where you have to win more games than you can afford to lose, what do you tell the boys?
Well, nothing, just stick to your process, keep it really simple, try and do the basics right. Yes, it's a pressure, it's a must-win game, but you know, at the end, you have to do your process right, and you know, a result will come.
And your combination for today?
We've got a couple of changes. You know, Ghosh comes in for Gurjapneet, and Veer comes in for Akil.
Have fun today.
Yes, thank you.
So that's the news from the center. It's the Mumbai Indians who won the toss, and they've decided to bat first.